Earlier this morning, at about 8:15, Israeli occupation forces came in with bulldozers and Israeli police, border police, and what have you, and they demolished this house in which about 18 people, Palestinians, used to live. 15 of those 18 are kids. 2 of them are under age of 2 years old.
قبل 8 شهور الدار مبني لها سنتين، أنا زمان مبني، بس قبل 8 شهور أجوا هان أعطوني ورقة إني أعمل ترخيص.
According to the owner of the house, there has been like about 8 months ago, they received a demolition order in which it gave them about 12 days to actually go and get permits. Of course, the Israeli authority will never grant such a permit. He went in and provided all the needed work papers, and since then he did not hear anything from the Israelis, only to be surprised earlier this morning for the Israelis to actually come in and demolish this house. They did not give him any kind of chance to actually remove any of their belongings. The ICRC has actually provided this tent behind you and some kitchenette and stuff like this.
But we don't want this because this time is the winter time. Okay, this tent will not help us, and chair. We can sit down without chair.
But we're looking, hopefully, as the UN, as international organizations, to be able to provide additional service and help for these people at this point in time. Rebuilding is out of the question. Basically, what they're trying to provide is something that can mitigate the circumstances and make it a little bit less harsh for the people affected. In the last 3 days, there is a massive campaign of demolitions throughout the West Bank. We have demolitions in Qarawat Bani Hassan, up in Salfit. We have demolitions in the Jordan Valley. We have evictions of Palestinians from their houses by settlers in East Jerusalem. There is a conscious decision by the Israeli authorities to accelerate demolitions and evictions in this winter season, actually. One of the results is actually increasing the suffering of the Palestinian people, because at this time around, especially in this area, we have a very cold weather. So even the regular houses are barely keeping up with the warmth needs of the Palestinians. Now that these have only tents, it's going to be a miserable life for them from now on.